Now we are going to discuss about modules in Python. So the first one is introduction. Modules allows you to reuse one or more functions in your programs, even in the programs in which those functions have not been defined. Module is a file with .py extension that has definition of all functions and variables. Modules are pre-written pieces of code that are used to perform common tasks like generating random numbers, performing mathematical operations, etc. The basic way to use a module is to add import module name as the first line of your program and then writing module name.var to access functions and values with the name var in the module. Program to print the system path variable. So first import the system module. First import the system module by the use of import statement, import SOS, print the Python path equal to SOS.path. First import the system path. So you should print SOS.path. Here is the output. So C colon slash Python 34, C colon slash Python 34 libraries, IDLE library, etc. When the import system statement is executed, Python looks for the sos.py module. So py is the Python extension. So Python sos.py module in one of the directories listed in its sos.path variable. Module loading and execution. A module imported in a program must be located and loaded into memory before it can be used. Python first searches for the modules in the current directory. If a module is not found there, it then looks for the module in the directories specified in the Python path environment variable. Once a module is located, it is loaded in memory. A compiled version of the module with file extension .pyc, that is the compiled version. So the compiled version is represented by, that is .pyc is generated. Next time when the module is imported, this file extension, that is .pyc file is loaded rather than the .py file to save the time of recompiling. The from import statement. Next topic is the from import statement. A module may contain definition for many variables and functions. When you import a module, you may use any variable or function defined in that module. If you want to use only selected variables or functions, then you can use the from import statement. So the from import statement is used to only selected variables or functions, then you can use the from import statement. So here is the example from math import py. So math is the built-in function, that is the built-in module. Here import the pi value. So print pi is equal to comma pi. So already you know pi value is 3.1415. It displays 3.1415. So the first line is from math. So the from math module you should import the pi value. Okay. To import more than one item from a module, use a comma separated list. Here using from math import pi comma square root. So math class you should import the values pi comma square root values. Here the import star statement imports all the names except those beginning with an underscore. So star statement is used to import all the names except those beginning with an underscore. You can also import a module with a different name using the as keyword. So the as keyword is used to allows import a module with a different name using with a different name. What's the use of star? It is used to imports all the names except those beginning with an underscore. So as keyword is to import a module with a different name. Here is an example. So from math, import sqrt, square root, as, so you should rename the, so name will be renamed. So sqrt will be renamed into square underscore root. So print square root of 81. Here is the output is 9. So next one is sis.exiter function. So the exiter function using, so here is the syntax. You can use sis.exiter argument to exit from Python. Here arg is an optional argument which can either be an integer giving the exit status or another type of object. So the syntax is sis.exit of. So exit of arg, argument, to exit from the Python. Here arg is an optional argument which can either be an integer giving the exit status or another type of object. If it is an integer 0, signifies successful termination, or any other non-zero value indicates an error or abnormal termination of the program. So the 0 indicates successful termination, or any other values indicates the abnormal termination of the program. Here is the example, import SOS, that is print hello, sos.exit of 0. So 0 indicates the successful termination. So these are about modules. So module means you to reuse one or more functions in your programs, even the programs in which those functions have not been defined. Okay. So the compiled version of the file is represented as, that is .pyc. The extension is .pyc. Okay, thank you.